Hey, all you lady dragons out there, it's me again, Jess, and I am going to show you guys my natural hair, do a little length check, do a trim, blow it out, flat iron it, and just get my natural hair together. I tend to not do too much to my natural hair in terms of just wearing it out. I tend to do a lot of like manipulative styles. So today I just kind of wanted to check on it and just give it a little bit of TLC. So I started off with my Chi heat protectant, made sure that I put a good amount of that heat protectant in there. And I also used my BioSilk. It's a silkening serum that just helps your flat iron and your blow dry to come out nice and smooth and straight. So I did all that and I just like massage my scalp a little bit just to give it a little stimulation. And then I'm going in with my Conair Yellowbird blow dryer. It's time for me to get a new one actually, so I'm thinking about getting the Silverbird or maybe just going with a different blow dryer altogether. But I really love this blow dryer because it gets really hot and it cuts your blow drying time down, and I really like that. So I just went ahead and started blow drying my hair. I don't section my hair anymore when I blow dry it. I just start from the ends and kind of blow out the ends of wherever I'm starting. And then I kind of work my way down to the roots. And I kind of just choose a section and just do that over and over again. And so you'll see I kind of start with each new section. I kind of start with the ends or the tips of my hair and then kind of just work my way further down to the roots of my hair. And that's just a way that I found that is just easier on my hair shaft, and I can blow dry my hair faster that way and without having to section it. So I went ahead and sectioned my hair at the nape of my neck. I put a alligator clip in to clip away the extra part of my hair that I wasn't going to work with, and then I trimmed off the end of the hair. I think I'm going to trim a little more. I was a little too conservative with this one, but it's a good start. Next time I blow dry my hair, I'll probably trim it again because I think maybe I want like a shorter bob. So I went ahead and trimmed that. I used some shears that I did get from Amazon, so I'll absolutely link that down below, along with all the products that I'm using in this video will all be linked down below if you want to check them out. Everything I got it all from Amazon. Pretty sure. Maybe some of it I got from my beauty supply store, but I'll leave links so that you guys can check out all the products that I used during this tutorial. So I started just trimming each layer to where each area that I flat ironed to where the initial trim was. I didn't add any layers or anything like that to my hair. I kind of just wanted a nice clean blunt cut. So that's pretty much what I did. I just used the guide of that first cut and then I just flat ironed each piece and then just trimmed it to that same area. So yeah, same process over and over. I'm not going to do too much talking through this video. I'm just going to let you guys kind of watch. And if you have questions, you can leave it in the comments. I feel like everything I'm doing is pretty self-explanatory. But if I did miss anything or you do have questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. I love having conversations with you guys and responding to you guys down there and just starting a conversation going. You could also help me out by liking this video. That super helps with this crazy YouTube algorithm. It's like insane right now. So yeah, just giving me a thumbs up, leaving me a comment, subscribing to the channel, all those things super help and help the videos to get seen and help your girl to keep doing what she's doing. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and let you guys watch. So as I started getting to these front pieces, my hair is a little layered at the front. So this is where I kind of start trimming the pieces as the layers are already there. I'm not creating any new layers, but I am trying to trim every piece of hair on my head because it was definitely time for a trim. So I definitely didn't want to neglect any hair. So I wanted to make sure that every hair got a fresh cut. So I did do a little bit of layering here. Not that I wanted to, but it was already like that. So I went ahead and just did that. So this area around the perimeter, it did get a little bit heat damaged. It got a little broken. So these areas are a little shorter. But, you know, working on those. Definitely have been doing a lot more deep conditions and trying to do more protective styles that don't have a lot of leave out. But y'all, I love my leave out styles. So this hair is just going to have to take its time to get back to the rest of the areas of my hair, which I'm fine with that. It's just hair. It always grows back. And so I also was thinking of cutting my hair even shorter. So that may happen in the not too far off future. kind of wish I didn't have the camera angle so tight. I wish I had zoomed out a little bit so you guys could see more of what I was doing. But yeah, I'm definitely going to do another length check. I feel like I do these maybe like once a year, maybe twice a year. I do a natural hair video. I'll link some of my other ones down below. But yeah, I think I'll probably do this again when I decide to cut my hair. So here's kind of where I just want to go through and make sure I did address all the, shorter hairs and the pieces that maybe didn't get trimmed. So I just went through, grabbed my Denman brush, my detangling Denman brush, and just trimmed those little pieces that I may not have gotten while I was doing the trim before. So this is the end result, you guys. I'm super happy with how my hair is looking. It's actually healthier than I expected. I thought I'd find a lot of damage, a lot of broken pieces, and there was definitely some in there, but I thought it would be a lot worse. So I'm actually happy with where my hair is right now, and I kind of want to continue to nurse it back to health, even though I do think I want to trim it again or cut it again, because this was just a trim. I think I do want to cut it. Let me know what you guys think. Should I just leave it and let it keep going, or should I kind of do a chop off and see what can happen? I don't know. Anyway, you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.